guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
So, voila, God. Make I first laugh. To start, that party of a social media president, it was wow. It was wonderful. It was splendid. It was very beautiful. Chai, too fine. Too good. Mrs. Idahosa, oh God, I like your dress. Not be every time. See like here, the draw gown, you know. Sometimes you see dress, you know, sassy. Good one. It was so nice. And una wanna go. Me I not fit. If I invite me, I not fit make am. I not go. Una wanna go there. Now God I will bless now. And God I will bless all of you now. Now try where. Now here you know easy to come out for your country or your city or your house. Go party. Now try now God will bless you now. So why not come the fight now? Wetin happen? I know they understand. Simple thing like this, come out and say that the party was so nice, the party was beautiful, everybody there was cute. Well, why there? If you see talk like this, you'll get view. You'll get view. I don't know, my life is very simple. Gosh. You go see get view. Yeah? The party was good. It was fine. So, one way they tally, when they call Africa German First Lady. Africa, Italia. That one, more not the man now. More not the man that one. That one they find food. That girl, she not there for the situation they again. No, she run come up for where people know and go hide with one guy for inside one village. People don't know where they did. Africa, Italian First Lady. Now know what happen. The house, Mona share this video to the people which they cause. The house, not be the house. Oyibo, not the children where she born, they be Africans. The children with that girl, Italian African First Lady. Her children are Africans. Now Moroccan man, now she born there for. The Moroccan man, the house where they rent, now this African Italian First Lady, they also they pay us rent before the man come buy. As the man come buy, now people come they laugh am for the city, for the area. Now there she come pack everything, pack her children, her lovely kids. Come go stay for inside bush where people not they no black people there. The place where they now, black not there. See, Mona they share her video. Mona the viewer, she need money to chop. Not be like they tell now. See, everybody they marry better Oyibo, we get money, I know they laugh out. But she called the also tell they feed the Oyibo, I want born Africans. They feed the Oyibo, they pay us rent. If Mona ask how they lie, Una where should they cost? Mona know they cost her back. Mona know they talk to her. Mona as Mona they for the share her video. Only they right. You go be able to Obi able order. See that day she called the laugh. She said my kitchen not fine. Now so she they do all those things, She they do all those things. Make she get view. Make una viewer. Make she still food chop. Now the yes so. No y'all look and say now one kind person. No. No, na lie. Na Moroccan Oyibo na she born for. Now she they pay us rent before the man come buy. Rented apartments. Rented or private, the one they call private apartment. She then rent them. Oyibo, you can't follow Oyibo there for rent. If na person, you don't know as you talk. If I not get as not get. Make una let people know so I not get. People go, they come, they view you. People come, because they want to help you. You can do charity on social media. Yeah, you can do charity that you don't have. People will not be viewing you. People will be sharing you. So you have food. Why will you not come out be insulting people who pass you 1 million times? It's not good now. Help a day, African Italian first lady. Come and say that I am lying. If not be the house where your Oyibo where you born for, the house on a rent. Now you they pay the Oyibo house rent, the house rent. The man and a person will be say all those Papa Jiro where as in there, I not love them. Now so life be. You know why I can't talk about all this about her? Because she do the talk. She go your carry person wait pass her. She go your wash. Make God do Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Our children are African, so make una for know wetin they talk. She dey talk say my children, her children, they be Africans. The man where she born the children for, na very poor, the poorest Oyibo for the world. Yeah. But it's okay. Nobody is all fingers are not equal. Oyibo can be poor. Oyibo can be poor. Not be even a Moroccan herself. Na real Italian man. Na she born for. But very poor. He did. Then they see. And then they see black where he rich. Now they see Asaboro monopause. Welcome. Now they see Oyibo where he rich, where he poor. Now so he be. But some of our black, this Rosemary, God, I did a Rosemary. What is anyway? She want born Africans now. She want born. She know your care without the man get money. Now there she call they follow the man. No, come born for the man for rented apartment. Now Rosemary call they also they go road walk. Come say I dey lie. Come Matt, come talk say I dey lie. Now person where you know you where you know your where you know everything. When I there for the same now then tell me. Not you not be saying me those way here and you know they tell you they bad job. Now truth to God that truth. Come Matt, they talk say you dey do charity. Say you dey do charity. Say you not get money. Say me they help you. People can't love you. They can't they share your video. You can't get money. You can't they get view. Now they come out, can't they insult people they pass you 120 billion time. She get mad, She get bad mouth. She get bad mouth. Hey, she just look me. She said me I go change my kitchen where anything not do. She said not good. She said, where they do her? Very dirty. Make I change her. I can't say, where could be this one? She just need view. Rosemary, she just need view to eat. Now she just need. Make una listen. She say, a pie the Murphy not get house. Say, why? You go to do party. A pie the Murphy will not get a house, a own house. Will not get your own mansion for abroad, for Germany. Why you go to do party? Okay, fine. Everybody they marry Oyibo will get money. You can't marry the poorest Oyibo for Italy. Who beat you for that? It good, what you do good? Why you disgrace women? Why you disgrace African women? You not talk your own. Oyibo will be say you go also. They say that they also for black boy. You good though. Inyani no wa with benugege organo. Inye black boy organo salobo amela. But your own, you call the also. Take they give Oyibo. Not good though. Your own not good, Rosemary. My beg matter where. Anya no yeke. You not talk your own. Oyibo. O salo boya I make put in no nephew. I don't know how to make that parable. me po matter no fivu. Oyibo. Me wa ya gwa le blabo pa mu. Ni anwu na na eheri o. Yes. Oyibo come dey do you shentro. Come to say I dey lie. Before you go talk say I dey lie, let everybody see your children. Whether your children not be half caste. If you come out, come make papa my people, make una tell and say, Mary Edos say, may you bring your children come out. Now when she go carry her children come out, they be half caste. I don't know say, na truth I talk. Ego no gi poor say, Oyibo we poor pass for the whole abroad. Italy now she born for. Now she they work, they pay us rent, they give food for everybody, the man no, the children no. Now they hear so. Now, the young Oyibo, where say the Oyibo there? Now, no, say when they give me information, I know they to the listing information. Yeah, boy, like if person come out, na come saga me, just come out from nowhere. Before you go know the person information go hear me, for my phone. Now they hear me so. Whether the Oyibo come buy or Rosemary come out for this because people come they laugh am. Now, where Rosemary dey, nobody black dey there. Now him with one brother, one black guy, where God go bless. Now he come dey with am now. Now they see, not be that brother you for fair carry before this black boy. Some dey help, some dey help. Well. Now here you take the hear black boy. Hey, black boy. Some dey help, they pass Oyibo. See your life. Just can't go born for the poorest Oyibo for this world. You can't give them food. He's me. Person way do you know? I want no way, Rosemary. Now because of that your bad math, now make God punish you like that. You know if you come and talk truth, say my people are beg. The Oyibo where I born for na very poor man. I don't live on now. I deal with black man. I be mona help me. You know easy for Italy. Mona people they share people they share you. Yeah, and really now the truth they talk. People go love you. Why you come out? You insult people. You bring down people. Why you do that? Whereas you don't have anything, no, you don't have anything. You say a party Murphy, not buy house. They do big party. Why you not buy? As a pet, wanna see wala wanna come. As at the Murphy Idahosa, they do party, big one, You where you they look and say they throw away money. Why you not gather your own? Come surprise Eddie. Say Eddie Murphy hey, see me, I don't buy house. You see they do party for your wife, so they shame. You not get money to buy. The person will do birthday for your wife. You say, may you come, you beat her. Say you want kill and say, you know if you build a house. You know if you build house. You where you get sense, May you surprise her with your own house. Now you they talk anyhow. I don't understand. Una can jealous. If you want to surprise somebody, just mellow, as in deal with that person like this, as in they do party, they throw money, they buy drink for everybody. You go yourself, they gather your money. When you go, don't buy the house, Rosemary. Even I wear my tamu now. When you go, don't buy the house. Then now you can't do like you say, Eddie Murphy, come here. You know the shame. You dey do party for your wife every time. Big party. Come see my house where I just buy. They do party for the and they are me. When one we must not be the same year where Eddie Murphy come abroad to Rosemary. Not be you see come. The day your man. Not be the same year where Eddie Murphy come. Not me you come. Why do you never also buy? I want that for laugh. Oh, I say no. Sometimes I go say, should I unfollow or I should continue to be watching them? Laugh one just finish me for inside house. You when they talk to a party Murphy. Now rent now you dey. A pet what people you talk to na rent today. Why you can't they insult them? Say you not buy house. You what they insult and you buy. Hi. Oh, Jesus Christ of Nazareth. This thing is very, very funny. Eh? Come to think of it, buying of house in abroad, you think it's nothing a small thing? Eh? If a party must buy house for abroad, that party where they do not do again. Eh? You not go even as in it's not easy. You know how much to even buy if one window spoil. You know how much to replace them. Eh? Make una leave people the way they be. Now they drag people, they call they put for something where person don't know. Why? Leave person make it they enjoy life, they go like that. Eh? Where the thing they go? For instance, now you want to enter house, the key just spoil. You don't fit enter again. You know call landlord do. No. Now you will call people where they do key. Maybe they'll come tell you say na 300 that they'll take put new one. You think say to get your house? One at the top. Why you got you know what where your house? Unless you want to talk about Nigeria. Abroad though not be here oh. Not be small picking thing oh. One at I know you just understand you now. Eh? Any small thing, you know if you buy house. Any small thing, you know if you buy house. To even buy house for Germany, it's not even easy to start with. To even get the property, say you want to buy your own house for Germany. Make I talk away. Germany, Evokuta. Eh? The German people just say they go even, you don't know them. You don't know German people. And if you don't even, you feel buy, eh? Oh God. As they thought say, Belgium, it cost. You can't go buy house for Germany. Oh. You go here when you know, hey God. I beg I beg una. This get your house for abroad there. Not be small not be small thing. Not they say not be small children. Me don't want to tell me those why they use that to insult people. I don't want to insult anybody. Not be my to get your own house in abroad. No, they hear now. Man, not talking me those don't want na. Wavie. Oh God. You have to, your body have to full well before you go say you want to buy house for abroad. You have to move. You move like this, yes. Now if now your yes person buy house, person na you or our whole house. Now you they say, hey, easier. Go back now, merci. You where you buy, eh? As in you don't go even like to tell person make person go buy. You don't go like it, you don't want again. Now good thing. But if you not get fat body, if you not get money for account enough, not buy house for abroad. No say my mate buy, me also I want go buy. If you know say you get enough money for account, they hear so, eh? You fit also okay. Make I buy. Say bolo. You not get where money they enter your account. Nothing. Who ya dog have a webo? Oh come here. Any be carrying here. Any small thing you not buy house. They do this one. Any small thing you never buy house. Oh come here. To buy house for abroad. Now small picking thing on our waiting. Marry understand this now. Before they go, your thoughts on social media. You never get house for abroad. Now they come. I bet that because I say I carry my own comment. Or Monica, now Monica don't enter also now. I still talk this thing that day. I beg if I want make parable, make una they use another thing they make parable. Not be buying of house. Oh come here. have in here. Okay, well, one kere, you never buy house. Or come and just not to build 4 flats for Nigeria, or to build a duplex for Nigeria. Not maybe this or to build a hotel for Nigeria. Aye, Ibiaka Ejeva. Children. Oh God. A bad Murphy as in day. You go fit buy house for Germany, for Deutschland. But Belgium own, if you get like 15,000 euro, 20k, where you want give a hotel. Now that one now they call hotel. That one not consider house where you want buy. If you get that hotel money, you must get them cash. Your bank will borrow you all of them together. Both hotel money, both the one you want to pay for the house. Yes. Our own will not get problem for here. But when you don't buy them, my sister, my brother, you don't buy them, you can't know say that house not your own, abi. Not be landlord don't again the way they call landlord. You don't buy them. Anything wey go spoil for that house, anything wey go happen for that house, my brother, my sister, now you. Now your head, now you take career. Yes, now. Now your head, now you take career. And now, to buy am. Oh, they don't give me key, my house. Okay, welcome to your house. Not let door fall down. Not let something make quenken. Make everything there fine. Because anything is spoiled. This will not be Nigeria where you go see something very cheap buy. One window for abroad, it will cost 350 euro or 400 euro. One window. I've been at this thing where they draw for thief, make thief not come house. That they call them vol for house, for French vol. They call them. I don't call one man. I call them, make them come because it gets some place where I want to put for my house. I want to change this one with there. You know how much? You say everything 3,500 euro. Now I go pay. Not be credit. I go pay cash. I be landlady now. They don't give me estimate already. So I dey look for the 3,500 euro now. When I will get them, I will call them. They'll come fix everything. I'll come pay them. And you dey sit down there and talk, say, go and buy house. Go and buy house. Go and... Oh, maybe I can't even here. Remember that sound them in water. So, that one Belgium own. When you have your 20,000 euros for an hotel or 15,000 euro for an hotel, depends of the house or 10,000 euro for an hotel. I'm not sure an hotel will take 10,000 again. Now 15, 20 or 25, yes. You get money where a bank borrow you everything. Maybe the house now 200,000, 150,000 euro. Fine. Simple. But Deutschland, really I say they hard for there. To even acquire the house, I should say they hard for Deutschland. Wow, to acquire not be wahala. House full. Maybe tomorrow I go show on a house. People they Belgium where they want buy house. House full. You fit if you get the money, you they work. They will borrow you bank, go borrow you money, you buy. Our own problem here now say when you don't park, enter inside. Well, here guys, Emilia, nobody go help you again. You know if you call landlord. You understand me? So Deutschland or Germany, you now, If I'm not sure, say even though say you they work, where they go even as in borrow you money or agree say they go even sell the house for you. Deutschland, my I bet una one at Deutschland, I be for there. They go just resell house for una like that. For Deutschland, wait me for comot. Deutschland. You Germany, Germany. You must sure walk here no. I'm not sure. So Deutschland. Deutschland na two things. Deutschland, my husband, they call me. Deutschland na two things. Deutschland, they don't know that they agree for them. And when they even say for them, to come start to maintain the house, that one and here. Two things. Our own, we don't get wahala to buy. Not to come the shebi you want get your house. Landlady, landlord. I'm your word. If you don't get money, you no go fit face am. Not be say I know the joke here. Get enough money for account before you talk say you want buy house. As me I did, now my body full, my skin full. I know the fear, I know the shake. Anything come. Shebi that 3,000 they want to put my this in now vol. Very soon I'll call them. When they want to even put and say put it, I'll do live zone now. They see the office and at 3,500 euro. Now say, Mama, now this thing you pay for 3,500 euro. Now see what now shock. I just tired. Any small thing, you never buy house, they do party. For Italy, even easy to buy for them. For Italy, yes. It's easy to buy house for Italy. Rosemary, you don't bring your own come and say see your house where you buy. Now person wey dey Germany, when I get work quota, Germany. Una go just dey talk anyhow. Now the point. Una go just dey Italy, Belgium, UK, Spain. They are easy to buy house. This place where you stock. Yes. Now when you come the landlord or landlady inside, now there wala dey. But you want buy no wala though. We borrow your money sell for you if you get it's easy. But the rest country, Switzerland, Germany, Norway, I'm not sure it's not easy. Maybe it's easy for America in my to buy, not be to stay for inside as you talk, to buy. Stay for inside. You just say, hey, tell you they talk anyhow. You don't buy house. Because you there for rented apartment, they do gabu. Any small if you call landlord. You know what the landlord they go through. Who they call? I know if you talk say I dey vex for you, Rosemary. You know this show, I beg. Me dey pity for you. I beg una dey share a video, una dey give am food. Only dey vai. Also no na miene. Hello sweetness, I'm on live video. Good afternoon, love. Also na miene. Well, that girl or that lady, she need food. Rosemary, Italian name first lady. Mona dey help am. Mona dey share a video. Mona dey give am like and love. Na so what she dey do for there o. O my dey easy ne. Ya go be ever ari, o be ever da. Na dey hear so. I know if you come and here call the insult am. Say you dey no. She don't fair talk to me. I say when she dey talk to me, he may o get take gbe mewa. So another one I want to talk, be say a pet Murphy, wetin una do, wetin you do Jerry and the wife is not good. Why tell on Facebook now? Now they talk truth. And now let me when I they talk. It's not good at all. Una disgrace the two of them. A pet Murphy, you disgrace Jerry and the wife. Why? Okay. That day now you invite me. I know say as you invite me, now so you invite all of them. Oh no, now what you for do me if I come? Me de dos no wa mu wela de gele gwepa. Again wait till me. I for come oh. I don't want to come alone. Next time when you go do, I'll come with my sweetness, with my daddy. Now two of us go come. Mok by thing the party, the small, the guys say do agree maybe and now I know they like her. No. It was say my husband there and yeah, two of us go come. Don't be so let me was here. No. So I hope one day if I come your party, Mr. Adimofi, you know will do me that kind of thing. Maybe I will even come with my drinks. because me that it alone. Yeah, I don't do it for one party. I just carry everything where I want to use, come off for us, and reach for my table. Character. Yeah, not me. Wetin una do Jerry and his wife is bad. Everybody come your party, a party movie. You not praise Jerry and his wife. Even for the party self, the way they said you don't even give them drink, it good. And they say when una go their own, admin ya here na teboni ya here, uberagbon. They say when you come their house, inya wote aje uwa uje mi ya sile mi pa. Also na tikema, una see why they say me those you no get friend. Ye ya una ni ya wata mi me. Ede na ya na wa dege na. Now the friend self na go kill you. The person wey una be party na go gbe you. If you not take time. Which kind of nonsense with this? I mean now I get hot temper. Even more than I have been about if my blood they do. Yeah. Jerry do party a party movie. You and it's okay. Una go there. Wana kwanyona nyana gele respect to wa. They as in there, they forget so no don't fair quarrel. But then call your own now. Whether you guys yawe carry can show what way. A party movie come and judge this matter. How old are you? How old are you? Be say no, they know the right thing to do. Because some people food there. See, I mean, now Jerry and the wife now not supposed to give something where we also pass. Yes, because they give una something where we wanna go their own party and you see and nyonya sile no one of your pa. Why do you not come do the same to them? Where we say they cause them, they go now. This kind of thing can they pay person? I say me wale. Man, good morning, Sonia. Auntie, welcome. Desire, Auntie Desire, welcome. That Rosemary own is too much. Now don't come tell you now. Say make una dey pity for her. Make una dey share a video. Make una dey give her like and love. Oh, young guy, enyo gireva. Enyo gireva, my dear. Wa happy. Mona not also don't go watch her again. Wa aga video. Wa like and love. No make na me go monetization. Nya wo be ebo that. Oni shoroti. Oh we wani. Gay. Wa happy. Na here. So a pet Murphy, you have to apologize to Esther and Jerry. Well, come in. Oh, as when I don't want Jerry keko hand boto, ne godson. Oh, it depend, It depend person. It depend where. You see now, una see life. Why you not go Jerry and yours go do that thank you this thing. Jerry nourish. Oh boya la. Iya mo boya, egele la. O ma no gele gboma, o ma sike wa gbona. You see life. I not to say as you go and no your own, say na bad thing. How will me your war? As you even go and no your own, you go see praise Esther and your husband. Because what you like, but when you will never go this one house, since based on saying a general of nothing. No, now one, now you go, but you respect yourself. You see, a bad Murphy. Oh God, you just grow for nothing. You just grow for nothing. True to God. Oh, when you go, don't do something accurate. Why you be like that? Even you know what now we listen to him by the Murphy. Ekinu we don't when I was here or dovame ya we caricature. In front of a wall. Wetin enoge do you? You not passing one way where Jerry and the wife do you. What Esther they even they talk self? Esther. Now view now she all the fire. She all the dead they talk. The thing not they even they not be she not dey do am too much. The one way no get do you a pa. Oh, come on. Oh, finish your life you way. At the lie. Okay, never, baba. No get in a work party. I feel get this side, no care where, or back party. No get boy. Ubegagmo. Kwa beg ya we me dosi. So, walk back here. Everyone do a million. Ved me what the basena. We give me one. I want to hear the women go. If when the memory a battalion say, as I get children rich, who you go and do me. A man I do me by battalion in me. Oh, let me hear the yet twin. A battalion in me. On the masse. Why you go and me let us see. I want to do a million. I want to do a million. Asaboro, may you wait for me, oh. I never, the day when I will catch you, I will beat you, I will beat you well. I did wait for something. I will beat you well. What you will do, Best way you will do not to apologize to me. Now, if you not apologize to me, the thing when I will do you later, for Facebook, for social media. Oh my goodness, oh. Why me say webu? Are rime. Why me say webu? Who do you me and me you talk now? Mana we? Ye reply with now. One baby don't even kiki. Ogwe me. Even if I finish me yan here one. Ya finish ne. Ya igwe. Ya igwe. Gay. Wa fi boy ya o. Ame velaja wa we. Wa fi boy yo. Eladian self. Not be like I tell you. I just can't tell you, say, see what I want to do you later. Now for Facebook, not be asabro monopause. Not be for spiritual. Me be now, me spiritual. For Facebook, I will deal with you. If you not come apologize to me. Now ba we carry na ka we ba be your bag bo asabro Mona do apologize to me. Now, Odao. Hello, no mia. You go say, me let us say, you go na big star na. Me let us. Me not a star. I will come, even though the other year of me, they go, wow. Yeah, ye boy. And I make baby. Wow, when me say, baby. Who do you mean? You talk. You hear so? Twins. I mean, on egg be. Me mama na egg be me. But to get the way I did do my thing. The twins on we me to see la. You no get priceless. I give moment la dia. O we temeni na wa miao. O gi le kwa o. Na sobo. We asaburu we yetwin. Iga meta yo tone. Now with this video where asaburu do. Now with daddy, I'm going to deal with him when the time comes. Era definitely me wahana. Now with daddy, I will deal with him. I will not leave this guy. I will deal with him. It's because of you. Because of something I mellow. Wawa we me say webu. Who are do ye? Who in me men now? So I make now deal with you everything. Ya I feel boy. It no give me more than I can mofi. But it will not be like the way I want to do you. Because I have the video. I have it. You may not come be well, what do you mean? You talk as I would monopause so I what do you mean? Oh God. Oh yeah. See what you now they do it's not good. A pair of Murphy. They be out your way. Person go just buy lace, do everything, come party, hold money, Esther hold money where Esther go change. Maybe go see this 100 you don't know your fee. And I make Esther negavier. They party where? We met you, we meet up. When I got give over we boy, beg it, and after we, or do you know okay, paid Murphy, or do you know it? Or do you know it? Oh, come. Oh, Oga wife. Sir Gladys, welcome. Eh? This my picture where they do profile. I like and well. Mwah. Eh? I dey hate this kind thing, my people. Even though say I not born for life for instance, I like to stay alone. Human beings can humiliate you, man. Hew. Now human beings and now they give people depression for this life through console. Human being, you hear say people get depression. Now human being, now do one we get that depression. That is why I like to stay alone by myself. I don't want. Don't come close, go. Because you want to hurt me. Not only hurt, I am a hurt person. Like me, I can never hurt somebody. I not a bit drum. Eh? See one of my friends that day. She called me. She said she want carry her children, 5 children, come my house. Say she want sleep. You never even tell. She said she want sleep. Anything children, yeah, cool. I let her bring them come. She just want to sleep because the children they're plenty. She wants to rest. When I want to go Nigeria, I tell this woman, say, make I carry them out to come your house. Now 10 days I want to spend. She said, make I carry them follow body. So make I buy ticket for them. If I lie, Now I say, now friends, human beings, how they give person depression. She even now say like, now she last week on Sunday, she called me, say she wants sleep. Say, make her children, make she go drop her children. What beg agbo? Now see life. She been a human being they give depression now. But me, human being not give me depression. Rather, I go say this one are jealous. Because me, I'm going to Nigeria to winking. Me not the lie. If you ask me, say, what you want to go to Nigeria? I want to go do marriage. You know, say now winking, I want to go do a B. Say me, I can't wear like this. I not sabi. Now jealousy, now make you not collect them actually. Oh, yari me. Mohiangi okay, I will carry. But last week she called me, say she want to bring her children 5, make them come relax with me. Say she want sleep. Say she get headache. When I say life. And me also, I have to sleep also. Shebi, I have to sleep. Now, palo here, I can't sit down. They look all 9 children. 9. Twins, can't they sleep? I can't carry twins. I can't put her for my chest. Even my husband was on call with me. Now, their mama tell me, say, make I buy ticket for the march. Me, I carry the follow body. Itevie. To the God. Of recent, now say, now human being. Now they kill human being for this life. That is why I stay alone. Because I don't want. Now see what they pay the more do Esther with your husband. Oh now you want done. Esther would have done what. But I wish Esther and Jerry not go that party. They not go see this humiliation and shame and cry and disgrace at the lie. Whatever. Before they will come out, come they insult Eddie Murphy, Come they insult Eddie Murphy, Now what did they go through? Emotionally depressed. Now make they do that video for Eddie Murphy. Esther, Esther talk show. She own money like this. She want to spread. I saw it. She was happy doing it. But Eddie Murphy now when. Even if came and vapi your own ya egwe. You got a charger me. A pad of ya gwe. Ya gwe when ya gay. Oh, come. Edia bonjea. Edia bonajea bona na de wajea. What the change? If ya gun, what the change? I cannot do it, my people. I cannot do that kind of thing. Everybody who come, who came, my answer come. I will appreciate all of them. I will appreciate them. Because it's from my heart, pure heart. You go sit down for a Noge house, It's good, no problem. They appreciate people. You don't even appreciate Esther and Jerry. Wabege. When Esther and Jerry do their picky birthday, Your wife is okay, they enter a room. Oh, they carry drink. They carry drink, they come out. They carry what made them see Esther finish. Esther not a see view where a no get the see. Now your be now view. Now people they look nowadays, not be say you too there for real life. When you have view, finish. Because I agbada na temata, Esther and Jed, they don't take for Germany. Why can I have more respect? Okay, couldn't read the Murphy. And no get just arrive at the lie. You see your life. Wow, see wow, depression, you have to give Jerry and the wife all what they can spend for you that day. Send the money back to them. I get there. No, say pay the muffin. I get there. I get there. I duck one. Why you can't? He good. He good. Imagine your own party. Somebody was before on a wavie. Okwoba. Vous voyez parti orignan, ogovie, wevie. Et tu wa mien, and the scene, and the scene, me ya vio ariowa, and yon wa kwen o kanwe. It's okay, come and rebuke this. Come and rebuke it. Say I'm lying, I be rebuking it, and I rebuke now, been a debunk. Hi, Jesus, rebuke debunk, I don't know, whatever. Come and say I'm lying. May human beings stop to the give another human being depression. It depends. If na me, I'll all lean. I'll come they cry. They say, why me? They all they cost for our own money or for our time, everything. They all they cost. They say that they're jealous. They're jealous because she not carry her when she do a birthday party. If I had the muffin, I if I had bet the muffin wa. If I are and get canyon and ya simune at the muffin lari digwewa. Digwe the muffin like when I charge digwe the muffin like the down. The down there gives your penny the boise. Digwe. Oh, do you know digwe, where the movie? Yeah, what digwe? Oh, what to have the woman? The movie. Oh, get Fantana when where one and I'm imagining be met. Get Fantana, the movie going to work. It was time. It was so go get. Any mama. Oh, my goodness. Why are you like that? Have you ever go to a Noge house, and carry food, drink to your house? No. But Jerry and wife, they have done it for you. Why did you humiliate them in your own party? Jerry said there was nothing in their table. Any way. Why did you do it at the Murphy? Oh, do you know? Oh, see, it's not to show me that president. What they go away? Who they do election? You have to do that election again. You see, say I call you a partner. But it's a way part. Because my wear them anything now. If I really respect you. Why they may wear a president now? Because a man can wear president in the Murphy. No, you not deserve one. I'm not deserve it. Now, no, my vie, a Murphy neck and I don't know what can war. And not war. A Murphy not deserve president. You cannot be my president on social media. No, we have to re-vote again. We have to re-vote. Now, no setting and managing my ya. We have to remove it from Eddie Murphy hand. I'm waiting. Cause if no Wester, keke Jerry or Dame. I want my And your mother are table or just one Ellinson. Emi kwe the rest table. Emi yana gae viemi lele. Otawane Jerry nogire. No. As beautiful as she is, she's very beautiful. Her skin is wow. Her skin is beautiful. She's beautiful. When I do ya here, kioma kekebu. Huh? Person they cry for what she go through for party. Now they thought that she jealous. I'm not jealousy. All the lacy. Do you know how much cost the lace? It's 150 euros for the lace. All the lace. Yawa way. Eh? Yeah, where you go, but yafi. You people, you just talk out of sense. Or you guys, some of you, or maybe some of you are also depressed. Now, the jealous epa. Not be Esther and Jerry where they go there. No, now they write that nonsense. Riad manger. Your mouth cannot let you open. Mouth cannot let us open. Yes. Eh? Jesus. The other one now. Esther talk show. My friend. Eh? The one women not can like. Since where they talk all these things, since I carry my charger, I beat a by the movie. Since where they do one, since you don't see here say I insult the children. You don't hear. Not here say I insult anybody children. Chebi you not here. Why you call the insult and not get children? Let's start talk show. Oh, the no kai monokuwo wa kai na jena ni maya kwa jena. Eh? Adult no my thing adeje mi eh. Only adult ozu onihin. You cannot face adult like you. You remove the adult and go and carry the innocent children. Emma girl, a show, yes? Emma do a gear where yes, because you don't bring the children come inside. For what? Talk to them. Remove the kids. When I do live video, I can't put children journal. You know, say I be goat, I be fool. Imami meta. Ije, what you come mele leg me na very on. When be say na papa or mama na talk to me, I can't leave them. I can't go to carry the children. I'm a coward. Big one, said big one. If you can't mind me rock. God forbid. I don't lose that fight. Saga day between me and person. I leave the person. I can't go the beat the children. I don't lose the fight already. Yes. It don't make sense as that talk show. You don't have to insult the children. No. Okay. As you call the insult enoge children. Okay. Enoge guy we live video. Of a more worry. Of a name of baby. You see? Is it fair? I'm not bad. So when somebody do you something adult, face the adult. Don't ever carry your mouth to the children. Never. Again, if I do argue over umanu, wawe mo o igbinana. Era ije. Mona check them, mona balance them, whether they are not right. Eh? So it's not good. And I really sorry for you for what happened to you for the party. Nobody will go happy for that kind of thing. It pain everybody. They hear so. You were gorgeous. You were beautiful. You and your husband as in eh? But now you can't cry because there's something happened. I mean yes so no ami no so no ekwegu we go an wa gbevoa. Emeteme. Enya we stack e da fon e anyoma re table oginya There was nothing. Only NC. Whereas, egbe ma ve di mo fi ke kiso ke ayan re we bona. Awufu. Yan wa mi won wa mo. Awon egwan ni yan mi present plenty for abroad. Wọ́n ga gwan. Ute wa gwan ya we hen igbofu. Okay. No. People like Edimofi, they're plenty. Like Anisoke, they're plenty. They're plenty for this abroad. Epe Edimofi, change your character. Change. If to say you hate Jerry and Esther, not write to them. Make them come your party. I dey lie. No write to them. Why you go write to them? Oh, come like me now. Say I come with my husband. Maybe you get as I talk to you today that I beat you. Maybe one day will come your party or something. If me they come, I go make sure say I carry everything. Me and my husband will carry everything come. Me wa do ima we table ima. Isaiah emi why because we came out to have fun. Yes, we hold our money, we will take spray you. Because I back home about Bona. No, you know, person not just say person invite you come party. Come me party say the person love you. No. Forget that thing. Now just let people come. Not on a normal ground. Person will come up for us, come your party. Oh my goodness, you have to appreciate. But the Jerry will not be man. Okay, teeth fall apart. No, why are you? That one man made disgrace of Maya. Now will be grace. The man on him, but no better money ladian. Me no a beef, you know, I been okay, no. Nonsense. It's not good. Wetin a pie Edimofi you have to do now? You have to apologize publicly to Esther and Jerry. Tomorrow now, that man Edimofi go their house. He go their house. Yes, they go their house. Now see life. Wabeg agbon. He say before you apologize to Enogie, say you come here ask, say you tell and say you want give Enogie mama 100,000 naira to apologize. Oh wait Jerry, where to where you? Oh why? Wabeg agbon. Oh tele for Deutschland. Oh where mugbo top. Because of say a disgrace now you don't me social media. They get social media. That thing go come up for it. Now that thing where una dey even dey laugh and for. Now because una don't know. It's expensive, eh? Do you know what is? Do you know how much insurance I'm paying for dental? Dental, that they call it for here. You know how much I pay every month? I don't know anything. Some of una teeth are one of where I met in the man they treat it teeth. Now money kill him. Now what it they treat it teeth, now it fall. When teeth fall apart. Teeth fall apart. You get insurance of teeth. You think that thing will come up for a man, say na just cola. Now big money. If you don't know, now dental. You go ren. I pay the insurance of that con. You go ren. See there. Oh, tele. Social media. Ha, God. Anyway, all of us, we don't collect. Oh, God. And some of them, they know what in there for that Jerry teeth will fall. They know, but they will just join them, they laugh and they go. That thing will be like teeth. Will come out for Jerry mat. I don't know how much. You get paper, talk like say you want to get insurance of dental. Na insurance of dental, na can cost pass for this abroad. Tit. Oh, grandy, yeah. But in your mind, no, so no. Here we go. Akonde. Oh, build that coin. Oh, when I come, he got a it's big money you used to work in your teeth. Big money. Or de for ni. Oh, when now you're on winner. Ha. Yamahe. Good. Oh, tele. Jama boga. No, I love anana. Because in a view. Now I know get the see view where. You see your life? Wabere mata metana. Wano. Bojala. Odama. Before depression go finish our Jerry and the wife. Now make me come do this video. This video now go relieve them. Yeah. You go relieve them. Because I know they like nonsense. I know they fear face. I don't see anybody. The day when you go do birthday with my husband there around, I go come with my husband. He was total. He enjoy with other female. My baby yale leg be the also. I have to do film my after my pa. Yes, I know they join anybody for social media. I did my own. I did my lane. I not get say na this group I did the other group. I not there any group. I not there any group. Now what? Tier bonnet. Who be this one? Who be this one? They say my madam. Madam don't carry me come abroad though. Now my husband carry me come abroad though. What they worry you? No. Me I not do all those ashawo now they talk. No, I not do all those things. What you? They talk. Why you talk to me like that again? No. I not do ashawo for this abroad though. Now my husband I carry me come abroad. Oh come on. Am I work be other me say in the remember when my madam carry me come abroad for Torino. Me now why my husband in Nigeria they say now he do paper, do everything. Work me come abroad. My husband a big man for Nigeria, big business tycoon. Tycoon no a bit tycoon. That my husband be. Now he walk me, now he carry me come abroad. Now make when they say they go Nigeria, go they see my husband in Nigeria they say, but now big man. I'm my work back bashawo. I born a meal. Ta. Tossen for one. Tossen for one. No one age. So, Petty Murphy. You have to apologize to Esther Talk Show and your husband Jerry. You have to do them. You see your wife birthday, you don't dey upgrade. You see as they upgrade. Imagine next year. People they talk and they go now say, I hear went from it or say now Yahoo, my brother from Vito. A popori one. He get one man for this batch of where I know. See, even though say no see money to chop, his wife birthday almost away. Now love from Vito. Now love. You know, as this birthday don't start to be like this. Now next year, it go be bomb again. It's a very, very good thing. You think say now today, pastor they do the birthday. We can be say this one, it can be bomb. This one shocktalize everywhere. It's shut. Now this one they call shut down. Wowa, iyoko wa, onaka awe. Now small. Now come the time where they do and small. Nobody thought say no yaka. Ogi we no shut down. Ema ya de la janre no yaka. Onye uwale re agbon. Hey! Not be me, you know. I'm my way where. Me now why I'm more there with. I beg come on for here. You don't know me, oh. As you just see me, so you call madam. Madam, me. Me not that fine more like wepo. Bomwe. The Chris. You don't say I say I go to Nigeria that they go see my husband. Your mama at there wepo. Who come? Yeah. So, a Paddy Murphy, congratulations. The sky is your limit. Ugele wahia. Yes. Kere. Wowa. The other one. This one can be why on a lagwa. But Nyokpano is sunu. It's a con de cry. You know good. Now that one I can make everybody people converse. Yeah, even me. You have to apologize to him because tomorrow you'll still go their house. Are they lie? But we not go see him for social media. We not go see him. Are they lie? She dey cry now for public. Everybody dey laugh her. Eddie Murphy not talk. Me will put 2 months. Eddie Murphy go the master house. Nancy, it don't make sense. Huh? It make sense, kaka. Why got new video on you ma to see? Ugbawa na bi bai, Do ya dey in your get wowa. Mbogbe. Hey! Now, wow, Jesus. And before I go, I still talk Monica, I won't join. Because now all in one basket now I do. Monica, from it or yours get accident. Monica, you're on command. For nights, I jam am. I don't know what I go do for Facebook. Hey, Hey. So Monica, this Facebook, where would they do? Some of them now take as in personal. Your colleague, where they stagger you, they stagger. He fall from bicycle or motor head. The thing where you go just do now to come out when they say thank God. Oh, as I always say, Egimawu. Oh, you get carried. So from it on anyhow where from it on him. Monica, where what of the ones where you don't do people? No, fine. What if from it or do you say? Monica, come first now, my friend. What if from it or do you where you say now your area? From it or say me you go bring DNA. Simple thing of the little your boy. Not be from it or this saga you. If not me, as from it or go say make I go bring DNA of Ashley. I know say there is nothing like that. Say now just money you define for Facebook na saga, I will not take it personal. As from it or get accident that day. I know come out. Come they say, hey, I'm not to salon obobai. That means the DNA away from it or come they talk na truth about Papa Wala runs. No, Monica, can't judge this matter by yourself. Anything can happen on social media. Specific comments can pull life for your head. Hey. You go just forge something. Person will just forge something. As far as the person they gave you. Oh. You go just the. Now lie. I not go feel wish anybody on social media dead. God forbid. Because me not say na lie. And they deal with each other. So Monica, if that thing away from it or say go and bring DNA of J-boy, and you can't look and say now your enemy, that means what if from it or talk now truth? I will not see the matter. Because if not be truth, where say from Victor Edimeno? Me not does it. Hey, me don't see DNA actually me. I don't say no lie. It back to me, it's a Maggie. Oh, I'll call the show DNA. Nonsense. Now nonsense I will call those things. But Monica, the way you can't do now, you can't be happy, say, Frank Victor get accident. You can't be happy, say yes, okay, fine. If to say Frank Victor enemy by that day, she been at once, you come, Frank Victor don't go. People didn't buy. And you get cancelled never go now, bye-bye. There is something you have to do where you not do. Because the way you behave, Monica, is not good. Now make me go back to this thing. So I don't start saying me not can deal with me. Mama back be my yane. Not today. You dey happy say Frank woman when get accident say, oh, why you know your buy? If it buy, don't go. But there is something that you have that is with you. Not say, oh, man, no. Where my Monica? J-boy. Because now you they bring the matter, they come. Because from Victor, just saga. Say, J-boy, always home at Facebook, when you now move. J-boy, go and bring J-boy. Have a yummy view. It doesn't mean that from Victor is your enemy. Now, view that they fair. Even view, I know, say that view. Now, saga. Viewers, they know. Why you go take a personal? Say, hey, he was a low bavini yari peri. Hey, we Jimmy. Now lie. Not me they come out and tell say now lie. Say there is nothing like that. Say make people not believe. Oh, why you now? You can't the saga Frank. You can't the happy when Frank the hospital blood they come out. You can't Mogbeo. That means that thing when you talk about J-boy na truth, Monica. Me they ask you. If not truth, person wey die, wey they clean come up for this life, it better pass your picky J-boy, our boy. Where you not confident do something, say no, I have to clean my picky name. Because you don't take as person and say the truth. If you don't take and say the truth, you know upon the saga, the thought say thank God say fan get accident. And you have anything, no rest no death, nenemi, una doa, go or hiawu. Jesus. When you know say na saga all round, our well lega. They don't know, not care they don't know. Even the viewers, they laugh. They laugh us. Say, oh, we talk everything. Not care they know Wetin they now just say, now to make everybody just laugh together. Why? To the extent say you can't get accidents. Monica, you can't dey happy say, oh, thank God. That is not good though. That means there is something you are not telling us, Monica. Gimagba do tell me nage Monica. Person go tell me say, not be Ashley Papa, I born Ashley for say me I go be DNA test. The same person will come get accidents. And I know say that person have view now they fine. I can't come and say, hey, boy, your mom need DNA. Yes. That means not true. If I do that thing, say not be Papa Ashley, I born Ashley for. Monica, what you know here at now? Because me, Buga Queen, Mary Edos of all people, I know say there is nothing like that. Say na saga. I know. But you wait concern. Not do I thank God you want here. That means the matter ever be you understand. That matter no, a J-boy ori mahia, or mok biakpanu me, that matter no. When my yari, we me here, not clean it, not celebrate boy, and now thank God do, woman, I am magman me. This thing don't come for your body. Do you know, if not truth, Monica, the kind stain wait there for your picky body? He better person way, he better pass person way more to jam top of bicycle, he better pass some. Because it's in the record of book of record. It's in a record book of record on a Wetin. As in Monica, what's your well at Diana? What do ta magmon? Get a matter from Victor Target, else a low boy, my goodness. And now I joke at social media. Best if you just come out, I will put big life on my head. Not me to say I been witch. I just call everybody. I just I kagmoya. When I real life. After I come and say na lie, I not been witch. Now social media for crying out loud. Person you can't come out now they call me witch. The day when the person will get accident, I'll come there and say, hey, my was thinking. Yeah, if I come out, I'll cry for the person, oh God, don't let him die. Because even he call me winch, now social media thing, I not be winch, he not go pay me. No. But the Monica, what's no? Emata noa. They matter no? My best friend said, we do go in here, or tell you, or one must or man say, your first boy, no one ready queen your with your word. As a mother, you did not do anything. But you will be trying to bring down the people that are sagring you about J boy. That means is it truth? No, yeah, they dog no You don't have to come and celebrate from Victor's death. No. Now, colleague, we all are one. Monica, there is something you are not telling us. How you see? How you see the matter? Sit down where you think. Okay? Mary Edos, your husband, your Cameroonian husband, give it for Nyash. He do. Now, viral video. Cameroon husband, not fuck me for Nyash. But if people they talker, person will call a talker, I can't say, oh, God make it die. Or maybe the day with the person will get accident, I don't come out. Say we take back Cameroon husband, they fuck me for Nyash. That means Ogele way. That means Ogele Valor. On my father, there was something like that. It's a better video. So if that person where they insult me, like Asaborona, hey, nyaga, hold on. Asaborona enemy go just come something. Make God not let bad happen. I just jump come and say Asaboro, no, that means Ogele Valor. I wanna see the matter. I talk and well now. How do you understand una for this social media? It be like say Wetin that they tell now. Say una really do am. Una really do am. I think so. I think say it happen. Because the way una dey react, Monica, I shock for night. I say, how can someone come out and say, thank God, this person get accident, thank God. What? Just saga. Tell me, I tell you. Okay, me will come up for Monica. Mona see a dimofio. The pair dimofio na. You can't na with one. On one quiet can. Makata. You're president. My women are about one. Larry. When men the saga ukinebo tranquil, the stuff they make money tranquilo. Now ukinebo husband, I can't give her the matter. We na go. Na ya igbeli go yekbo. Because the business already a business so na contract. You go ni hi. Oh, we here obiare umenwa. From Victor come you again. Adiono Edimofie pa ogunko. Not being you can't come out, you can't wear a sango cloth, and no man can wear because you can never give him money. Beg you have a tower of no him back. We made a dosi me go marry your knee. Who do I tell me? Who do I tell me? You mama wear on the peak. Person get contract as they get contract for building. Get contract of car. People want come back car. Now no social media bio. Like men were on from Victor. Now adulterous now they catch. Obviously, why in the contract the bank? Person call and say, I don't want adulterous woman deal guy alpha. No, I go up. He say, contract is very oh, so we say. Oh, better. Abi. They're not, Hi Jesus. If now you, then carry Okinebo matter can't give. You not collect money, pa. Tell truth. You know, call Okinebo say, Ukinebo. Re emniya murebe gwe o. They say you go here. Ukinebo go say, no, I not do it. Or I do. Shebi, you go tell and say, okay, I want go to talk for social media. Ukinebo go say, I will give you 1 million naira. Close the case. You know, take the money. You know what take? You see life. Oh, ma ve kowe contract ore here. Una know everything. Una know the way una say they do. Now let me one know they do contract. If I come up for here now, I'll go ship my goods to the person, to the mommy will follow me by. I come see how they do hair. Package hair, get hair well. So hair well one package. Because I get the hair for house. Package hair, go give the person way back. Now me come the analyze and they talk the thing the way it be. Me we contract. So this business what na they do na know na self. Umenwa they give a contract. Or no ya fe ko ya gbeli go yekpo. Umenwa no mention your name o. Agbe na o. I will not woo. Kwa dame yo. Umenwa no even cross Edimofi lane. As a turn and truth. Na Edimofi by itself. Ona waje wo dodo. Ona wala dan we zizi. Ebri. No be you find trouble. Ukinebo give you money. You see life. I got away from Victor or women. No, na lie. Ukinebo can go give Edimofi money, a pay Edimofi. A pay Edimofi can collect the money. Ona do ya je e wododo. Ona do ate bonnet from Victor. I beg ya. Enyo women. Something where your colleague don't already carry as contract, you not call your colleague. Say, money deal. Ukinebo, oh yeah, settle from Victor. As you settle me, make this matter close. Ama wherever you can't fool yourself. You can't fool yourself. Later now, Shebi Ukinebo can go give you don't win, you nothing win. Shebi Ukinebo can go give from Victor money. From night to 7 I know that way give her money, but I sure say now contract, now work. Now I know all these things whether they do. But this trouble where they grant so about from Victor Papa burial, Edimofi wife birthday, now Edimofi find trouble. A colleague you have a contract, when we have to deal with only to have tea bonnet now, una do ta to ya deal with you all when why you not tell Kinebo say no? From Victor don't carry your matter. For you to give me money, go and give to From Victor. Epa, Edimofi, be wo. Makama wege, enwa wege, toto we wo je kata. Te be afetoka. Kata na ya le gbo ebe no. Kata ma. Umata we no boy. Umata we no boy. Frank. No ya de ni go ne. Una mi go. Una be worry ya agbe. Shebi na you find trouble for this month away the grant. Why matter? How get away no woo. But oviere offer kwa contract or anything from Victor. Eti de bayo. Me I not get to the job. Two. I journal. No. I dey talk the matter the way it be. The matter back from Victor. No. If I slap from Victor from here, you go your fall. See as your face can't be. Your face it can't be like this. Not be so your face can't be now. And I do poof. That one about the way not concern me. I just want to tease you. Yeah. But the truth of the matter be say this matter where they grant from Victor. Oh women. Ume de women kaka oh feko wa a contract you were ma begu re e pa di mo fina nu wa we president na wa mi e na gba ma na hia mo na nyo si ame no gbado e pa di mo fi nyo si ame no gbado nye no you go dey say na be odoga na him You collect money finish. As you collect, not you come put fire for that thing. When men at the social, when somebody carry your matter for contract, where you go? Go and meet that person by yourself. Men, when do you think somebody can saga, another person can saga person where they for social media? Like me now, carry your matter, they talk. You can't go pay another presenter, they can saga me. Me don't already get your matter now. Where if the other presenter they draw me, may I ask you where? It's a common sense. You guys have to have a common sense. It's the person that bring out your matter that you have to go and meet fast. Look for the person number. Social media presenters, they have very good hearts. I'm telling you the truth. When you sit down on social media, you like, hey, evil. He see the evil. Now, like, when you call them, you settle with them, that matter will clean. Because now the person will carry your matter come, now you go meet. Ogbe. They maybe already mean it's over CIA. They just like respect, some of us. Just some of us will say, don't bring money. Forget. Because you don't call them. Oh, for very hard, very soft heart people, like the presenters. They're not wicked, they're not bad. The person when you bad for this matter. It can't be like I say word they come. The thing can go concern a pabo bizwa. For nonsense, for nonsense, we be say a pair the Murphy. Oh, why you go here? You're here, I want to come out here. On I don't take a pabo bizwa, a dioma. Now you do atie bo. Because it is saga ye. Nobody want to beat each other. And the Murphy go say I go win you. From it go say you say Wetin. Now so saga be I know all these things. Eh? Emi we ba ke kere me ana, eh? Iya mana get settle eh. You kon odo we bagada. Nya do afili pape na gbegbe for nonsense, so. Eh? Pay the Murphy now. Oh wa siezo. When no wa keke na wa gbalo wepa. Awa vie 24 stroke of kena wa vie. Yo wa ikebe. Because uwegbe. Eh? Not be as umenwa there for social media. Not be so you dey. You think you can come and saga him. Or not be as you dey. Agba man. As me day, now so you day, you can't say you want to saga me Edos make I enter. See you. Now neutral person I will go fit deal with. Not be we. I actually we my mirror. This matter, you see, so they say they want to destroy from Victor party. They go destroy everything. They go do Jesus. What was Siena Yarena? Ediama no, Edimofi. Ediama say. My mother do yo. Who are my water do yo? Who had a presentable way? Hey! On a sense, pa, must have a sense of much again to here. I will make my video. A presenter. You say you took too much, you want to come on. Go and sit down. Go and sit down. Now you just you supposed even apologize to Frank Victor. When I watch them and I say, because okay, look at now. On the day of your wife's birthday, Makatabu why. Now let me not get sense for the social media. Where? Yes, I did try. Somebody insulted my husband. I said no, I answer. I cannot take that. I said no, I quit. On my way, no. As he go insult my husband, I'll come out. Hey, say Wetin. Hey. For what reason? Oh, my husband. As far as I say we dey, equal. Now know me the way I dey. Now know the way. I don't dey like all those kind of nonsense. Now know me abi. Or less we not dey again. Even though say we not even dey again, make God not let bad thing happen. Because I have learned my lessons on social media. I know what is social media. You see the way when Asaburo insulted my husband. small thing like this. I can't fight. Not be asabro call they fight me. Now people can't go they call them. They put fire. They pump them. It don't take me inside. I know every. You go surprise say asabro now small now she go contribute inside. Small like this. Now no neutral people. Now they'll go to pay you or do have or femme do rien on a better with dia flinky flong pish when I table tennis my husband for waiting safe even though say monetization self how much even though say na 2,000 euro one enter I know they do because you know why. It's my husband. Okay, fine. Eddie Murphy, your wife, the day of her birthday, the boy, the guy where you go find the trouble, Frank Victor, honor wish, honor way, happy death day. But you say you love your wife so much and you even do a birthday for her. That is not love. That is caricature. If you love your wife, you cannot double cross your colleague and collect money from somebody that is insulting and come and wear dodo and say, let me deal with Frank. When you know that if Frank ever say because I'm a presenter like you. You see it? Must and say, una sense, una the match and for grand. Where the love? You say you love a woman. Una your boy a CMA your talk. And I got me happy death day to Idahosa. As now they do party, from Victor, they play video to the insult una. That is love for you. That is nonsense. You will call it a beg na social media, you know me. It mean intelligent man will not do that thing that you did. Because all your bo you go away. I get it no. Because now you go, everybody go to say from Vito, Nenemi or Nanemi, the other one. No, he was doing his contract. He was on his lane. He did not call Eddie Murphy's name. Eddie Murphy, ona ya yewo dodo, udumodi, omozo la remana. Oh come, you don't collect. Maybe she give you 200,000 naira. Who are dia? We need the money 200,000. Are you a ping-pong? You don't have sense that you come from a family. Your wife, they will insult your wife, your children. Oh my second wahaya me me social media na. You can never have to go to Franvito. Okay, when we send there to Franvito, but I want less. Where I on your man my son live video. Oh, I know you live video ne. Wait it a man as a presenter when we I na la. Now let me Edos. Now if you say who is Edos? Wa your back be me. You know you can da fe me ibi me. You were let to the bed. You or my family. You. If I realize my mistake, what I me. That's why I just be. I cannot be alive. You'll be insulting my family because of nonsense. When I know what is the meaning. When you insult my family, you insult my children, you insult my husband, I watch the video, I will not reply you. Rather, I will come out and apologize that, please, I'm sorry. Because there are a lot of people on social media, some of them, they are not okay. Especially those ones who come from upper. They are not fine. They will deal with, they will insult you, they will, but if they insult you, you come out and apologize. If they insult only me, Edos, this, the mokpaya wa gbe no wala, maybe do but why even I will want me, a family me. When I hear by Iwakba, I will come out and apologize to you. But that will not mean say I will catch you later. But that moment, I will not talk to you again, never. And the day I will even talk to you, I will not insult your husband. I will not insult your children. I will not insult your family. It's you. I will not tease you. Finish. You people are so senseless. Eh? Yeah, Epa, I greet you. Sorry, say I not come birthday. Sorry. But Epa, this thing way happen so you good. Why Esther will come they cry for party? When they start with the basse, on our bevoa. Mania, Epa, please. Okay, Frank Mwenwa, or what boy I will do. Epa, una ya wododo una wa la ti na wa do ti with ave we gbe very on when I wear my princess won ko no love how do atiebo ne also no na ya umewa ma ye we ne ya but that to ma yo dodo do tiebo no do ge we usu menwa that they don't like video e mo ka la o ya di with forget to umewa don't collect for live video or one. There is nothing you can come to do him that he will run inside us. Hey, of your no go because I run. Now let me now go feel enter her. Say hi, if I'm living in here, or that family dey every time. Only me na dey run. But the rest of you know they pay una. Say na so princess they sleep with the other ones as there. For what? You people are you not adults? That there are something you see that on Natana. I don't like your man. Give me no water. No yes. Did you say? Huh? Now so it is because when what you call them? From Victor they do that video of Kinebo, Epa from Victor mention your name. Talk true too. The matter ne ko emosu. You get charge ya boy. I forgive you, Epa. Epa. So when Umema they do that video, I was there. I watched him. I was seeing everything. Umema from Victor not mention your name. I not see where from Victor say social media president la remana ni we buy. Oh, we contract here. Oh yeah, okay, collect go here. Epa, that's what me wa be wo no abodo yo. No from Victor, I give you. I will beat you. I want no hate bay, no say bay social media. If I'm Victor, or when works about the right, not about the year, not about anything. If I'm Victor, egg bay. Wow, go man no go social media. A power bell me, what they baby me, what we sing. Where one lad I made a dossy where, or that where family way. A payment I dig where do you mean, where da. Because I see it's nonsense. Huh? How? Yeah, what do I tell it? Tell it nonsense. Yeah, Epa, make I forget now. Since you know what, you know what I accept. You know what I accept. When from Victor they do that video of Kinebo, if from Victor ma mention anywhere, Epa go always they talk say na in right. From Victor not mention your name. From Victor they do a contract. The contract in money. Ojeku. Oni ebate. Oni ojeku. Yen mi ae. A contract no. Epa wena wa ladian vroom. Una we wado gbe. Egba we don't know he agbe. O love wo han we. Umemo. Ume family. Eto hi ado atebo nya ya fefefe. Hey, me value da femme be,ivime e family me. I value egbe. Me de ma because o ma no ite about the family me u pa e mo o da femme. I do ladia, I do yime, iya ba egbe ti mi a. O ma no de egbe be continue be ati me a. If you ask your friend away, Mary, those don't come out, come beg you, leave the family out of this now, leave the children, because my married reply. Now viewers now I go come deal with the person. Now viewers will come deal with person. As make una see as now te understand wetin I dey talk. See wetin if tell you. Me for this social media. Now le igbo eve na ogunko. I cannot open my mouth to say Osaze dey sleep with princess. My goodness, it's a lie. It's a social media nonsense. They no hear see onire. Before you go reach that extent, now the person where they saga, na go quick tackle am. Because anything where they talk for social media, ema wa amu here. I go okay no. So me will see how we to do this. Any of my colleague where they carry contract, make una live and make they enjoy your yeku. Oma not go guaning, Omani don't hear Omani can't deal with you. Omani on hand. That person will do live video. Make una not the collect money from the person where they cause. Say no worry, I'll feel better for you. Go inside, no worry. On where agbe, Orewa no on we what anything man, there. Or do I say bonnet if you are way ya? Atasin. Okay, pa, I'll call you. If I may write you whether they hate me, because me is so many get what you would do not do at your bonnet. If I'm it up, I go you would do. I be men meta. If I would you do now, una from it all. Ben one na. One me, if from it on and no what a live video where I see me way. Ya would bene. A contract in your wamu, you go wa lab monetization. From it he's working. No ya we shoroti. On your ekenamigo. Why mega iwe from Vito? Con ye, I deal with you. Me I go from Vito when you say me am away. Because you know the way you know where they reach. Or I go me now just to laugh. If from Vito have your body me, on our that thing where you were a family can me hey lela. Who work in me leg me hakwa me akia me from Vito with la ho. Even you are joke. You understand me? So if there is nothing when you make go away and do where you go away. I don't know what I want to tell you. You understand me? I don't know what to say. But I saw you wear ododo. If I were even always said that we are created for him as a merimu. Yeah, lekin we heme. You know this your daughter be Mary Wetin. But if I were your dodo, now why you will nanny? Why stop me from now? A care of ye on na. You know good. If now get person who not do live video, now see and catch. And not be me do that one. That one a different case. But do not say you want to beat somebody that is doing a live video like you. You want to deal with that person. A presenter like you. What do I have? You understand? So I want to go now. Epa is here. Epa, I love you. Happy birthday to your wife, okay? I have to go. Una bye bye, Epa day.